Hi friends, welcome to Hobby Lobby. Alrighty friends, so right over here they have beautiful wreaths. This is a mini one for $18. This one is really pretty. Yeah, they have all these different designs over here, guys, for around the same price. That lemon is $13.99. They even have the lamps here. Yeah, there's 12 pieces of this ceramic dinnerware set, 40% off of $34.99 on these here. And this one is $67.99 for 16 pieces. And that one is $44.99 for 12 pieces. Okay, snack and dessert cups, container set, BPA free. Okay, now we're not going to wrestle for the price. Ooh, I see something else I like. Look at this. Glass storage jars. You get 8 pieces for how much? Here it goes. And they have this one as well. Okay. Serving bowl set with metal rack. 5 pieces total for $26.99. So if it's $26.99, it will be between $15 and $18. Okay. Ooh. This is a 1 quart baking dish. Was it $16? Yeah. And they have this one for $18. Okay, 1.5 quart size. Alrighty, this stoneware bakeware with lid and metal rack, 3-piece set, $35 before the 40% off. So if it's $35, it'll be $20.99. Okay. And here's another. This is a 4-piece here for $55? Okay. That's before the 40% off. Chip and dip set. Another nice find. 3-piece set here. Ooh, it is so heavy. This is $25, guys. So at $25, it would be $14.99. Alrighty, this is a 26-piece set. 13 locking lids, 13 containers. This is 40% off too. $19.99. Okay, signature style to the table. Plastic nesting storage bowls and lids, 8-piece set. $12.59. Okay. This is a drying rack here. It's on sale for that price. Okay. This black drying rack is foldable. It is $23. Collapsible baskets here, $10.99. We also have different sizes. This size is $3.79. And these are on sale, guys. Shoe racks. The one to the left is 5-tier shoe rack for $8.99. And the one to the right is $18.99. 4-tier shoe rack. These caddies are $5.99 on sale. Man, that is great. We also have these that's on sale. And that one is $24.99. And this 3-tier space saver is $23.99. Yes, more of these jars. It's $16. I'm sure it's probably 40% off. But yeah. And this one is $17. $18 for this one. Oh my goodness, guys, look at these. $17. How cute. Oh my goodness. $15 for that one. Alrighty. These little decor pieces is wash, dry, and fold. I like that. Laundry room sign. It is, the original price is $130, but it's 50% off, which is going to be $65. These are $45. That one right there is $40. Oh, look at these. These white ones are pretty. $40 on these. We have more up here. Alright friends, the wall frames are 50% off. Oh, this one is really pretty. Yes, that's gorgeous. Like that one. This one is really nice for $125. And that's at the 50% off. Okay. Twin XL quilt set of 2 is $40. By Darcy and David's. A full queen quilt set. This pattern is nice. So I'm thinking all of these are by Darcy and David's. This one is on sale for $20.99. It's not bad, and it's a king. The full queen is $17.49. Man, the queen 3-piece set for $17.49. All of these guys, $17.49. Wow. You can't beat this deal at Ross. Wow. Guys, this is a 4-piece queen navy embroidered sheet set for $7.99. The original price is $31.99. Oh my goodness. The king is $8.24, guys. This is a 3-piece twin for $6.24. They have window curtains here. These are, the original price is $25.99 and these are $6.99. Oh my goodness. What is going on here? These are $15.99 and they're on sale for $3.99. Wow. $4.99. This is $5.99. Over here, the shower curtains are on sale for $4.99. 72 by 72. This one's $5.29. Man. This one is that $2.99 or $2.22? Man, $12 original price, $2.99. $2.99. These rods are $5.99. Bathroom sets, $7.49. Some of the storage bins are on sale as well, guys. Like this one is $3.99. $3.99. This storage container is $4.99 with the top. So that is the end of this video here at Hobby Lobby, guys. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all in the next one.